Uganda and DRC are working on a memorandum of understanding to have medical teams from Uganda participate in the management of Ebola outbreak in DRC. This was disclosed by the delegation from the WHO that visited Uganda to assess the Ebola preparedness and response efforts.
So now the two countries, Uganda and DRC, are working on a plan that will be a joint plan for joint action in DRC. So far, we are working for that plan to be implemented very fast. As DG mentioned, both head of state have a talk, and also at technical level, team also are speaking together in order to fast track all the administrative process, to have also a memorandum of understanding between the two countries, and then we can implement all the action for the health and to save life, not only in DRC, but also to prevent people in DRC to come seeking care in Uganda.
Uganda is already training the teams that will travel to DRC to participate in the Ebola response.
So Uganda is currently in preparation. As soon as the memorandum of understandings between the two governments are signed, as soon as the simulations which have already been started are completed and we are all clear to go, that will be announced by the relevant authorities. But the plan is ongoing.
The WHO team called on the international community to reconsider travel restrictions on Uganda.
International community not to do this, and those who have done that to reconsider. And because it affects the economy and it affects the livelihood of the country. And when the country is transparent and doing its job, and it has also experience in stopping Ebola, I think the return cannot be travel restrictions. So that's one way I think WHO can, give its voice for countries who imposed to reconsider, and to also thank, since majority are not doing that, not following suit, we thank those who have not imposed restrictions, because that has to be. And many studies have shown that travel restrictions don't actually help. May delay it for a few days, weeks, but at the end of the day, that's not what brings a solution. What brings solution is to address it at the epicenter of the outbreak.
The WHO has pledged to support a coordinated response to Uganda and DRC to see to it that Ebola outbreak is contained. Adia Nakote, UBC.